In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently receive payments from your customers using our streamlined software. This process is designed to ensure that you can manage customer payments accurately and efficiently, so let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by opening the Receive Payment screen. This is your go-to spot for entering payment details whenever a customer makes a transaction. You can usually find this option easily on your main dashboard or within the customer management section, depending on how your software is configured. Look for a button or link labeled Receive Payment and click it to open the screen. This simple step sets the stage for capturing and managing incoming payments. Next, on the Receive Payment screen, you'll need to select the customer for whom you're receiving the payment. This step is crucial because it ensures the payment is attributed to the correct account, helping to keep your records accurate. Usually there's a search box or drop-down list, so just type in the customer's name or scroll through to find them. Make sure you carefully verify their details to avoid any mix-ups. Alongside selecting the customer, it's equally important to fill out the payment details. This includes the payment amount, the method through which you're receiving the payment, be it cash, check, or electronic transfer, and any relevant reference numbers. This information not only completes the transaction, but also aids in tracking and future record retrieval. Once the customer and payment details are in place, it's time to apply this payment to an invoice. Linking the payment to the correct invoice ensures that your accounts are accurately updated and balanced. In the software, you'll often see a list of outstanding invoices associated with the customer. Simply select the corresponding invoice from this list. This step clears the invoice from the pending payments queue and reflects the received payment in your financial records, maintaining a tidy ledger. Finally, after all the details are correctly entered, you're ready to save the payment. This might seem like a straightforward action, but double checking is always advised. Take a moment to review all the information on the screen, confirm that the amount, customer details, invoice number, and any additional notes are correctly entered. When you're confident everything is accurate, click on the Save or Submit button to finalize the transaction. Saving the payment updates the customer's account, applies the payment to their outstanding balance, and generates a record for future reference. And there you have it, the entire process of receiving a payment from start to finish. By following these steps, you can maintain accuracy and efficiency in managing customer transactions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other tutorials to perfect your skills in using the software.